How is the memory allocated for Numpy arrays in Python? I tried to understand the difference caused by Numpy 2D arrays, that is, numpy.zeros, 3, numpy.zeros, 3, 1, numpy.zeros, 1, 3. I used ID to look at the memory allocation for each element. But I found some weird outputs in Python console. The memories of the elements are not consecutive, changing without reassignment. Moreover, the elements in the array of shape 1, 3 seem to be of successive memory at first, but it's not even the case for other shapes, like I am actually not quite sure whether ID is suitable to check memory in Python. From my knowledge, I guess there is no easy way to get the physical address of variables in Python. Just like C or Java, I expect the elements in such 2D arrays should be consecutive in memory, which seems not to be true. Besides, the results of ID are keeping changing, which really confuses me. I am interested in this because I am using P4Py a little bit, and I want to figure out how the variables are sent and received between CPUs.
Numpy array saves its data in a memory area separate from the object itself, as following image shows. To get the address of the data, you need to create views of the array and check the C types.data attribute, which is the address of the first data element.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.